Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit BBQ. On today's video, I'm going to smoke some giant Texas style Dino beef ribs. Check these out. All right, let's get started on these Dino beef ribs. Check out this monster rack. This rack actually weighs about 8 pounds, and I paid $7.99 a pound at HEB a couple of weeks ago when I went to pick up my Bison smoker out there in Forney, Texas. And these are USDA choice from a company called STX Beef Company. Never heard of them before, but I guess that's who HEB buys their beef from. Now, I've smoked plenty of beef ribs before, but never a rack this big. This thing is giant. Check that out. All right, so we've got a 4-bone rack right here. I'm gonna leave the membrane on the back of these ribs. And what I like to do is take the fat and the silver skin off the top of beef ribs. So I have seen people that don't trim any of this fat and silver skin, but to me that makes the top layer of the beef ribs really tough. So I'm gonna take it off. And what I like to do is just grab your knife and try to stay right under that fat and silver skin. You can see the knife right under the surface right there. And then just glide your knife right on the bottom. Now, as long as you stay right underneath that surface, you will not remove a ton of beef. See that? Hardly any beef whatsoever. So just keep working it. And remember, stay right underneath that fat and silver skin. All right, so I've got the beef ribs completely trimmed up, or as much as I want to trim anyway. Now you do have a little bit of fat on one side. Just be careful that you don't cut too much off, because you really get down to the bone on this side right here. So I'm going to be using some of this Worcestershire sauce as a binder, or W sauce like some people call it, and just rub it into the meat there. Fun little fact, did you know that this W sauce has anchovies in it? Yes sir, read your bottle. All right, so the first rub that I'm applying on these ribs is from Yoder Smokers. This is their beef rub, brand new rub, and it's fantastic. Just apply a light coating on there. Don't forget to season your edges. I'm also going to apply a little bit of the W sauce to the back of the ribs, even though we're leaving the membrane on, and a light coating of the seasoning. And just because we're in Texas and we love our black pepper, I'm going to apply some 16 mash black pepper on the top of the ribs as well. I'm going to add quite a bit of black pepper. All right, so I've got our Dino ribs seasoned up. I've got my Yoder YS 1500 smoker running at 250 degrees. Let's head outside. All right, so I've got my Yoder YS 1500 running at 250 degrees. Let's load up these beef Dino ribs. All right, so I'm placing the ribs on the top shelf with the meaty side of the rib towards the right side. So as you can see, this YS 1500 really develops a ton of smoke, which is going to be fantastic on these beef Dino ribs. I'm going to give these ribs about 4 hours, and I'll bring you guys back. Stay tuned. All right, so 4.5 hours into our cook. Let's take a look at our ribs. Oh yeah, looking mighty fine. Got some really nice pullback on the bones, as you can see right there. Let's grab an internal temperature and see where we're at. All right, 172 degrees. I am loving that bark. This is feeling really good. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and wrap them in butcher paper. All right, so I've got the ribs all wrapped up. Probably got a couple more hours to go still. We're gonna pull them when they're nice and tender, probably around 203 degrees. I'll let you know what the final temp is as soon as they're ready. Stay tuned. All right, so the Dino ribs are ready, and the total cook time was 8.5 hours. And by the way, I was using post oak pellets, so let's take a look at these ribs. All right, let's take the ribs out of the butcher paper. That fat rendered really nice. Holy smokes, look at the bark on these. All right, I got my Dow Strong serrated knife. Let's slice into these Dino ribs here. That bark feels absolutely savage. I'm gonna take this big bone right here. Oh man. Check that out. Beautiful smoke ring. Nice and juicy on the inside. These are gonna be tasty. All right, so I'm gonna slice these bones and come back for a taste test. All right, let's give these beef Dino ribs a try and see how we did. I gotta tell you, that bark is nice and crunchy. Now, I've had ribs off of my YS640, my Frontiersman, and even a really big offset, but I have never tried ribs on a YS1500. Here we go. This is super tasty. I mean, check this out. Look at that. I gotta tell you, the smoke flavor on these Dino ribs on that YS1500 is absolutely amazing. Check out how red this meat is from the smoke ring. Absolutely amazing. Also, that Yoder Smoker's rub with the extra black pepper on the top is a match made in heaven. I highly recommend you give that a shot. I hope you guys enjoyed this Texas style Dino beef rib video. If this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit BBQ. See ya.